Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today, as you've seen by the title and thumbnail, it is side skirts time. I've already built them, saved time again, like I said in the split video, it just saves time, and for the purpose of the video not being 27,000 years long, this is what they look like at the moment. So the plan is with them is to put them on my existing side skirts, which I've actually taken off just to assess the condition and to blow all of the mud and stuff that it's been caught up with over the years and the miles. So they're all looking clean on the inside now. Not too fussed about this because that's just going to get black again as soon as you go on the road, and I'm taking it to the car wash later anyway. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do with these. So these come 2 meters long. These are 1.72 meters long exactly. If you do need to know that size yourself, it's on screen. So I've made a mark on the underside. I'm not too sure where it is, but I've made a mark, cut them. Alright, so as you can see here, I've started using my own self-tap as the spare ones that I brought in my cup of miscellaneous many bits, because I run out of these ones, and these are way better than the ones that are supplied. I'd recommend going for your own like heavy duty ones. The ones with these ends on, if you can see that there, the ones with like the self-driving ones, these are good for doing like roofs and stuff, like they just breeze through anything. So yeah, that's what that looks like on the inside. And if we move over here to the bins, this is what that looks like on this side. So now all that's left to do is just put them back on the car. It's literally self-explanatory. Cut them to size, the skirts, tap them in, make sure you've left a gap for the hole, and that's it really. Building the skirts is pretty self-explanatory. You get an instruction kit with it anyway, but yeah, that's all that's left to do. Just put them back on the car. So let's go ahead and test fit them. I did actually test fit that one. It looks rather saucy, so I can't wait to see what this looks like. Alright, so now it's time for the easy part, getting them back on the car. And now this side's going to be easier than the excuse me, other side, because these clips have actually stayed in the car. So what you have to do is slide it on that way instead of just pulling it out like you would normally do here, which isn't a problem. It just takes that bit longer. So you just literally pop her straight back in, and let's have a look at what she looks like. Absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Now all I guess that's left to do is just, well, we're there now. Just look at it. I know there's a bit of a join mark in the middle, but I literally don't care. That looks absolutely sick, and it matches this as well, so I'm even happier about that. Okay, so you've got 4 clips here. One of them just pops in here like so, like that. Then you've got one that goes on the underside, which I will show you in a moment. That's this one because I think it's a bit longer. But these two go in the back half here, and the rest of the big ones are the ones that go underneath. That's going to be the hardest bit, reaching through and actually seeing where the holes are. It might take a bit of time, but hey. There we go. And last but certainly not least, and there we go. So that's roughly in place now. Just need to get under and have a look and have a feel around. Sorry for where these go, which I'm going to cut the video and cut back in once I've actually figured it all out to save you guys time. Okay, so I know this looks really weird, but I've located one here. It's literally just a feel job because you cannot see a thing because of the skirts are actually in the way. So once you've located a hole, literally just grab one of the clips, have it like that, and then find your hole and pop it straight in. I'll just show this once because then you'll have a rough idea of how to do it yourself. So we've got a hole there, slip it behind, got it. It's just a bit awkward, but There we go, found the hole. There we go, that's in and in place like that. You've just got to go around and do the others. So I'll cut back in when I've done this side, and then we'll move on to that side and do the next lot. Alright, so unfortunately on my car in particular, all of these clips actually broke when I pulled them out. I mentioned earlier that those ones on that side had actually come with the skirt, but they haven't here, so unfortunately I can't really do anything about that. I've just got to put these in. It will be enough to hold it though, which is the main thing. A couple did break and bend and twist and just warp, but if you're doing stuff yourself, you've got to expect this sort of thing. You can't get frustrated with it, and I've learned that as I've done sort of my own things with this car, like especially with the splitter and stuff like that. So we press onward upwards and we make do and mend. Time to locate the holes on here to clip the skirt back in, same as I did on the other side. There she goes, there's one in. Let's get the rest done. And last one was right at the back there. Bit fiddly. And there she is. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished product. Oh my lord, would you look at that? Oh man. Yes, this is sick. Yeah. Right, now that looks this good, the bunda is looking a bit naked. So I need some canals to go on the side here that matches this piece on the side now and the front splitter here. But if you look at it from the front, it looks naughty now. It really is coming together, this car, and I'm so happy with it. Hopefully you did learn something from this video. If you did, then drop it a like, let me know if it helped you out, or if you're going to think about doing this yourself and what you think of what I've done here. If there's any pointers and tips you want to give me or whatever, just let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know about the side canards as well, actually, before I end the video. But yeah, that's it from me now. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon with some amazing content for this.